How to set up two-step verification for Amazon using Authenticator app. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Amazon, then click on Accounts and List, which is on top. After that, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Login and Security. Then click on Two-Step Verification Settings, Edit. After that, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Get Started. Then it will show you key or QR code. Simply screenshot it and scan it in the Authenticator app. Then you'll find codes in Authenticator app like this. Copy the code and simply add the code in here. Then click on Verify OTP and continue, and you're good to go. And that's how you set up two-step verification for Amazon using Authenticator app. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.